Renewable energy has been a game changer for businesses across South Africa, and the 125% Renewable Energy Tax Incentive has made the switch more affordable than ever. But here's the catch. This powerful incentive ends on 28th February 2025. That means the clock is ticking for businesses looking to offset costs while securing a sustainable, cost-effective energy future. Under this incentive, companies could deduct 125% of their renewable energy investment from taxable income, a massive boost to the bottom line. So, what happens after the deadline? New projects won't qualify, making now the best time to act. Here's what your business can do today. Assess your energy needs. Get a professional energy audit to identify the best renewable solution. Consult the experts. Daisy Energy ensures your solar project meets all incentive requirements. Secure financing. We offer flexible plans to make solar accessible, even with a tight budget. Daisy Energy is here to help with full-service solar solutions, expert guidance, and tailored financing to maximize your benefits before time runs out. Don't wait until it's too late. Search for Daisy Business Solutions today.